Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your paperless employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in paperlessemployee.com and press enter. Make sure to enter the slash and your appropriate department after you type in paperlessemployee.com within the URL box. Now once you are inside your appropriate employee login portal, you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the user ID that you have set up while creating your account in the first place, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your paperless employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot ID or password button in order to reset these credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your paperless employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.